Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to Native Ghana Media. Please do well and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Native Ghana Media. Like, comment, and share for more videos like this. So, let's get quickly into today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about what happened yesterday around 12 o'clock p.m. We recorded the train that was brought from Poland. The Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Bawumia train that was brought from Poland to serve the good people of Ghana was involved in an accident. It was involved in an accident. So let's get into what happened, what actually happened. Because what happened is like kind of the panishe that Enekopake can ewo. So let's look at footages from what happened yesterday.
Obayansa fuso obunibia wankana asam Zema futu sam kakre wa supreme Yo kofi Oman ya woman Omani ya memana Geni bebi ako Wachaja ya wareni Ponsom wanini pa Kasa jipa wofyoye Yamo yembera ye
So, are we Ghanaians? Like, what's wrong with us? The train Efra Buchaba say MSF the good people of this country. Now I said I call Kia track. Looking at the video footages, it shows clearly that a whole car coin aka efaho. So someone went and parked the car. So Minister for Railways and Development has released a press statement. So let's read what he said concerning the issue that had happened. So the Minister for Railways Development, John Peter Amewu, has detailed how one of Ghana's newly acquired trains from Poland got involved in an accident while on a test run. According to him, the train hit a Kia truck that was parked on the railway but said there was no casualty. So meaning no one lost his or her life during this incident. So earlier this month, the first batch of trains was assembled in Poland, arrived at the Tema port to help make railway transportation better in the country. The new trains are expected to begin operations by May, which meant a test run was scheduled to ascertain the readiness of the trains to serve the public. However, earlier on Thursday, April 18, 2024, reports emerged that one of the trains has been involved in an accident during the test run on the Tema Mpakadine railway route. Detailing how the accident happened on City FM's Eyewitness News, the Minister for Railways Development, John Peter Amewu, said the accident happened at around 12:15 p.m. while approaching kilometer 76 from Tema. He explained that by the time the train driver saw that the Kia truck was parked on the railway, it was too late to halt the train. Today, unfortunately, around 12 p.m., the ministry, in collaboration with our foreign engineers and the Ghana Railway Development Authority, conducting a test run from kilometer 0, which is at the workshop in Tema, towards kilometer 98 at the Mpakadine. Mr. Amewu said, on approaching kilometer 76, there was a Kia truck parked right across the rail line, stationary. As the train approached, the driver tried to apply the static stay to enable the train to halt, but because it was very close to the Kia truck, it was unable to and therefore ran straight into it. The minister further explained that aside from the damage to the front of the train, there were no further issues, adding that engineers are currently working on fixing the train. This was what the Minister for Railway Development Mr. Peter Amewu said yesterday. So report also reaching us says that police has arrested the person who that car belongs to. From Pulse Ghana, it says that the Ghana Police Service has arrested the driver of the Hyundai truck with registration number GS 9018-20 in connection with the train accident on the Tema Mapakadan railway line on Thursday 18th April 2024. So we said that Echo Pake is here. And looking at the video also, you can clearly see say na a curve so, and you all know how train works. Say train at the speed bar. Obepie also impromptu. It's not easy to hot. The brake and check that kind say you who say train brake a beche send a car to the So the lucky thing is that right now the train any moon in Kwana na say and no one lost his or her life there. Ghanaians, we should change our mind. Forget about NPP, forget about NDC. We the taxpayers' money and a purchase that train they buy. It is a train number. It's coming to serve us. Not the train is not serving any political party here. So why say someone will go just with the intention of say Abia Akufo-Addo buy His Excellency or buy or the train number or say no. Let's think, yes, so I can say but we the citizens, we are not also helping. The mentality that we have, we should change. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Native Ghana Media. More stuffs are coming. Thank you.